Welcome to your first lesson. One of the most important things about playing guitar is understanding the language of the instrument itself. So what I have here is a Strat, and you can see it can be any kind of guitar that you want. It can be a Strat, it can be an acoustic guitar, it can be an electric guitar, arch top, hollow body, Les Paul, whatever. The main thing is most of those parts are all going to be the same no matter what kind of guitar you have. So what I want to do is go over the main parts of the guitar. So when I talk about those, you'll understand. Now what I would correlate this to is if you go to a mechanic and say, I got this weird noise going on. Well, they're not going to understand that. They might take advantage of you if you don't understand what the language is. So same thing happens when you go to a jam or you're going to a guitar repair shop or anything like that. You're going to be able to talk about your instrument. So let's talk about the major parts. Headstock, which is part of the neck, but we're going to call this the neck, the fretboard, but the main part is the neck. And then we have our body, which is all of this. Now, within the guitar, it goes further. We have our tuners, tuning keys, and on acoustic guitars, they're the same thing. They're split up different ways. You have your string nut, which is right here. It's where the string leaves the headstock and floats over the fretboard. You have your frets, pick guard, and different guitars have different types of pick guards, just basically guards from the pick, literally. You have your pickups, your neck, your middle, and your bridge. They're based off of where they're located. You have your bridge. Now your bridge is this whole big huge piece right here, and inside of the bridge there's these things called saddles. On an acoustic guitar you usually have a saddle made out of bone or plastic, and on an electric guitar, typically you'll have different saddles. Okay, you have your knobs, which are on the Stratocaster. It's a volume, a tone, and a tone. Your pickup selector, and then your output jack. You plug a 1/4-inch cable into that, and then you have your strap buttons. And obviously, you just hook your strap to that. If you'll have any questions, please feel free to ask. There'll be a test on this later. Yeah, not really, but it gives you the basic idea. So those are the main parts of the guitar. Please memorize those. We're going to talk about them as we go. Thank you.